The Princess and the Pea, written by Hans Christian Andersen, narrated by Jennifer Jones. Once upon a time, there was a prince who desperately wanted to get married, but he would only settle for a real princess. He traveled all over the world looking for a good princess, but unfortunately, he couldn't find one anywhere. Of course, it was very difficult to know whether they were real princesses. After another long search, he returned home alone. He was very sad because he wanted a real princess so badly. Watch the whole story at Relaxed Present.